Hello class, we will continue our last lecture. So in last lecture we will see for the rectangular channel equation of 2q square by g equals to y1 y2 bracket y1 plus y2 bracket closed. So this is the derivation for the sequent depth ratio. So we continue. So here we know the Froude's number is v by root of gy for this section. First, f1 equals to v1 by root of g by 1 and f2 equals to v2 by root of g by 2. So here v1 is discharge upon area, and area is b into y. So discharge by width is the discharge per unit width is small q. So what the condition q is same, discharge per unit width is same for the condition v squaring both the sides. So it will give f1 square equals to q square by y1 cube g. So q square by g equals to f1 square y cube or f2 square y cube. We will use in for on these two conditions. We will use one condition only. So we use q square by g equals to f1 square y cube. So it will put in this equation. So here 2f1 square y cube equals to, that is y1 cube, not y cube. This is the y1 cube. So here y1 cube equals to y1 square y1 y2 y1 plus y2. So f1 square equals to 1 square equals to 1 by 2 bracket y1 plus y2 by y1 square plus y2 equals to 1 square. So this is the equation. This is y2 square by y1 square and y2 by y1 is half. So we will use a quadratic equation. So here is the quadratic equation. We will put y2 by y1 equals to x. So this is 2f1 square equals to x plus x square. Here we simplify these terms by 1. So here we cut the y1. So here 2 divided by y1 square. So y2 by y1 square and y2 by y1. So this this term is, we use the quadratic equation formula, which is for x equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Where here a is 1, a is 1, b is 1, and c is minus 2f1 square. So we will put the value of b, a and c. So in this formula, which is minus b plus minus root of b square, b square is 1 minus 4ac. Here is c is 2f1 square in negative 2f1 square, so negative negative positive, and 4 to the 8, 8f1 square, a value is 1 divided by 2n. So here is positive sign or negative sign. So y1 y2 by y1 is minus 1 plus minus root of 1 at 1 plus 8f1 square by 2, and y1 by y2 we will change f1 to f2. So this is the energy second depth ratio. This is second depth ratio, sequent depth ratio. Now the energy losses from section 1 to 2, that means E1 is the energy at section 1 and E2 is the energy at section 2. So here E1 equals to y1 plus v square by v1 square by 2g, and V2 is y2 plus v2 square by 2g. This is the specific energies. So we change it here. So it will give y2 minus y1 cube by 4 y1 y2. Now the height of jump, which is y2 minus y1, and the length of jump is the function of that. So 6.9 into y2 minus y1. If Froude's number is greater than 5, we will use length of jump divided by y2 equals to 6.1, or Froude's number is less than 5, we will use length of jump by y2 is equals to function of Froude's number. So here is the 6.9 by 2.5. Now the length of jump divided by 2. If cross sum is given by